Okay, we've got some easy to install solar lights, and they're automatic on and off in the light. So you can see when we install this, we'll turn it on, it'll shut off because it's light outside, it'll come back on when it gets dark. Very simple install. You've got really three parts. You've got your bracket, the light itself, and then the decorative bolts that just hold it all together. You can set your mode right here, turn it on and off. It'll notice motion and or light and darkness. Okay, here's our outside lights that we installed. They are solar paneled. Notice the setting we have them on, they dim when there's no motion, and then as we approach them and they detect motion, they both get brighter. You can also set them to only turn on with motion and turn completely off. Here is the motion sensor, on-off switch, and the mode changer right here. Notice they have a nice glow on top, and that stays on all the time at night.